Syncro's background tools allow our service engineers to actually start troubleshooting problems on client assets without starting an interactive session. This might seem unusual and not much of a big deal, but it means that we can actually start troubleshooting problems like low disk space or stuck services without disrupting a client who's actually getting on with their day. So this gives us time back in our day where we don't have to schedule time, we can just start troubleshooting a problem, and it means the client can continue to use their asset while we actually perform this background work. Our clients love Syncro's tray installation. The ability for them to right click on that, submit tickets, especially attaching screenshots, and for it to bring all their asset information in directly into that ticket. We've customized that along with the client portal, which means they've got a pretty decent up-to-date view of where their ticket's at. They can add notes, but definitely for them to be able to right click and just submit a ticket with a screenshot of the current problem, that's been a game changer for a lot of our clients.